So you have the envy that is malicious, which means people, they see you with something, they see you successful, they see you, for example, they see the celebrities, and they want that what the celebrities have, or a person wants what the other person has. And because they feel kind of powerless, they're gonna wish and do everything they can for that person to not have that thing anymore. So they're gonna wish the celebrity to no longer be famous and have the money and the hotels, the houses, and everything. They're gonna wish that, and because even if they wish, it's not gonna take all that away from the celebrity. So they're gonna go online and they just say bad things to that person because they feel they can't do anything else. What you hear, the haters, the trolls, all that. In reality, these people, they want what the person has, but because they don't see a way to get that, so it's better to just diss the person, insult them, and it's easier and they feel better about themselves. But it's actually something that doesn't work, because you're gonna feel better for a few seconds, but you go back to your life and your life is still there. So that was what I call malicious envy.